Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks! Hi, everybody, and welcome to today's episode. Today, we have a special request from a little girl named Kiki from Zimbabwe. If you remember last week, a little boy named Nashe requested a pony. Well, Kiki is his little sister, and she wants a pony too. So, this pony's for you, Kiki. Here we go. All right, Kiki, this cute pony is just for you. So first things first, 2 eyes. Boop, boop. Good job. And draw the insides. Boop, boop. And let's go ahead and draw some cute little eyelashes. Boop, 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 boop. All right, I like it. Next, one curved line for the snout. Boop. Good job, looking good. And let's draw a nostril. Boop. The inside. And then we're gonna draw a circle. Boop. Ta-da! And let's make our cute little pony super happy. 1 and 2. There's our happy pony. And a nostril. Whoop, ta-da! Next, just draw the bottom of the snout. Whoop, ta-da! And you guys are doing great. Come on over here and just 1, 2, 1, 2. Got that ear. And now because we're making this pony extra cool and extra cute for Kiki, we're drawing big, cool, stylish tuft of hair. I like it. And let's come over here and draw the rest of our pony's hair. So just draw some nice curvy lines. There you go. Boop. Nice. Boop. You really can't do this wrong. We're just drawing fun little curves to make our pony have some cool curly hair. Boop. 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 And then bring it right back up to the ear and ta-da! We did it. Let's draw a line. Boop. That can be her back and we'll bring it down. Boop. To make her legs. Good job. Draw the foot. And bring it up. That looks awesome. Let's jump here and draw the neck and the front of our pony's chest like this. And stop right there. Nice job. And then we'll draw a line. And a line. Let's draw some kneecaps. And then just draw the bottom of the foot again, just like that. Awesome. Looking good. Let's just draw the belly. Good. Healthy belly. Looking awesome. And draw another line. And bring it on up. Ta-da! Another line. Bump down. And then we got the front feet. This is going to be great. Let's draw another line. And then we got the other leg. It's going to be awesome. It's looking really good. Now we get to draw some hooves. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm not going to shade those inks. I want to make them really colorful when we color this awesome looking pony. And the last thing we're going to draw is this cute little pony's tail. So again, just draw a line. Boop, boop, boop. Ah, my badge fell off. Give me a second. Let me get this back on. Okie dokie. Back to the tail. Maybe just draw more happy little curved lines that work excellently. And then we can draw some lines for the ground. And ta-da! We drew a cute little pony for Kiki! Good job! Remember, if you like what you saw, please tell all your friends. Give me lots of suggestions so I can draw you a special picture. And please subscribe below. Now